Hi there, I'm Anita and Amarissa of crimsoncatz.com. Today we're going to be talking about the baguamap. If you haven't seen my previous video on the free Feng Shui download, do check it out. If you have used Feng Shui before and you want to get some more from it, do check the guide out. You might have missed something. If you've never tried it before, do check that out too. But the baguamap is the simplest type of Feng Shui. We also have the 8th house and flying stars. But baguamap comes in different forms, okay? But you'll always find 8 areas. That's what bagua means in Chinese. So 8 areas, and you have the 9th being in the middle here with the yin yang. We're finding balance and harmony in the house, remember, and also here you've got 9 blocks being the center here, then 8 around it. If we're looking for wealth, if you're looking for a new relationship, or you have a relationship and there's some disharmony going on, the baguamap would be a good place to start, and even the free guide as well. We have the doorway here, the bottom here, and then onwards from there I check where your wealth areas are depending what room, and also make sure that you have the correct elements, colors and things. Okay, so items, whether it be a wooden table, a glass table, a mirror, and so on. So we are looking at elements, we are looking at colors, and we are looking at objects. Check out, like I said, the guide too. But with the baguamap, it's nice and easy to follow as long as you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, do check me out. Check out my details below. Do contact me and we can work from there. If you're moving home, or if you are just setting a room up, especially for your business, this is the way to go. So like I said, do check it out. Make sure you get the elements right, make sure you get the colours right, make sure you get the objects right, and you'll be in full flow. There is a baguamap also for your own personal being, and that's another story, and I will cover that on another video. Otherwise, do make sure you like the video, hit the bell notification for upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel, and share amongst your friends and family. If you've got any questions, do comment below. If you want to know more, do comment below. If you have done it, or you found some differences after using the baguamap, do let me know that too. If you have got the guide, comment below. Tell me what you thought. If there's anything missing, give me a testimonial. Whatever way, I'm Anita and Amarissa. I will see you later. Bye.